Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dumpling broth. Start by roasting bones or using kombu and dried shiitake for a vegetarian base. Keep the pot at a low simmer and cook gently to avoid cloudiness. Skim impurities regularly and add aromatics like ginger, scallion, and a splash of soy for depth. Taste and adjust salt gradually so the broth supports dumplings without overpowering them. Pick quality ingredients and prep them simply for best results. Roast bones until richly browned or rinse kombu and soak shiitake to release flavor. Use ginger, scallion, and garlic to brighten the broth, and add soy and mirin for savory balance. Simmer gently for hours, tasting occasionally and adjusting seasoning. Strain through a fine sieve before assembling dumplings to ensure a clear, flavorful soup base that complements fillings. Control heat and timing to make a broth that sings with dumplings. A gentle simmer extracts flavor without emulsifying fat or clouding the liquid. Strain with cheesecloth or a fine sieve for a smooth finish, and cool quickly in an ice bath if you plan to store it. Refrigerate overnight to solidify fat for easy removal, then reheat slowly and taste before adding dumplings so each bite stays balanced and comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.